Okay. And the water is coming on this side too. You will see some. Look at the water. Hi guys, you are watching Fadl Fishing Adventure. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Today I am coming in the fishing trip again, and that was very cold, and you will see there's a lot of people. They're fishing this side and this side as well. Then now I'm also coming. It's around 1 o'clock. Then I need to find also one of the good place for me to go there, because the weather is cloudy a little bit, but it is still good weather. And I came in here, start fishing now. I start fishing from this side, and look at the other side. There's a lot of people, and those side also, because the tide is coming until 5 o'clock, and that's why I stay here. If I crossing this area to other side, and I need to, because I parked my car on this side, and that's why now I start some fishing in here, and you will see. Because the place when I am fishing now, I'm not much comfortable in this area, and the water is coming from everywhere, and that's why. But I don't have a choice until I don't have any other space, and that's why I keep going here. We will see after, if anyone is going home before me, then I need to change my place. Guys, look at the water. Guys, it is very cold and cloudy as well. Then still I am focusing on the fishing. Just wait. Okay. Casting far away. Look at the water. It's coming from Tube. Nearly, if it is 5 o'clock, I think it's gonna be high tide. Guys, look at the other side. Plenty of the people. Still going for fishing. You see the water is high tide now. and there's a lot of people and very busy for fishing. Not catch any single fish yet. Guys, I stopped fishing now already, and I'm not catching any fish. I try to change my place now. If it is possible, I'll go start on the other side. And don't forget to subscribe the channel Fadl Fishing Adventure. See you in the next video. Bye.